One of our multinational corporation clients provides technology services worldwide with a complex infrastructure consisting of data centers, cloud-based solutions, and on-premise technology. The client was concerned about the future of their technology infrastructure as new technologies and innovations emerged rapidly. Their current infrastructure could become obsolete, leaving them behind their competitors. Due to high costs, upgrading the infrastructure to keep up with new technologies was also a concern. The client approached MAPL for the resolution. To tackle the problem, MAPL comprehensively assessed the client's existing infrastructure, including their data centers, network, and software systems. We analyzed technology industry trends to identify emerging technologies that could impact the client's infrastructure. To take advantage of the scalability, flexibility, and cost benefits of cloud computing, we enabled the client to migrate their existing infrastructure to a streamlined cloud-based solution. It also consolidated existing data centers to secure data hubs, improving operational efficiency. It was a cost-effective and efficient solution. Our expertise helped clients deploy financing automation tools, streamline IT operational processes, and reduce the probability of human error. Millennium system integration capabilities enable the client's technology infrastructure by upgrading them with modern applications and systems, ensuring overall system compatibility with the latest technology innovations. Any guesses? What was the outcome? The client was pleased with the results. Using Millennium's innovative technology hacks, the business operations experienced reduced IT costs and improved efficiency. With the latest technology deployment, the client's business started to respond quickly to market changes. The process's agility and flexibility were significantly enhanced. MAPL helped the client remain competitive by future-proofing their technology infrastructure in an ever-changing industry. Contact us now to learn how we can design and install a system that meets your unique needs and exceeds your expectations.